So you've set up a kit and added an icon. Now let's add some more icons in different styles and apply some styling options. To start, pick an icon you want to add to your project. Here we have the icon detail modal, a place where you can easily customize your icon's style, color, and size, or add some animation. Let's start by adjusting the icon style. Say you want to use our classic regular style instead of the current classic solid style. Just scroll over to the styles option and select classic regular. You can see the icon preview change to classic regular style. Now let's try adding some styling to your icon. Open up the styling tools area by clicking the button with the palette icon. Want to adjust the color of your icon? No problem. Simply select one of the preset colors or pick your own. When using color with Font Awesome, you can use any valid CSS color value. We're using hex here, which you can now see in the code snippet on the right. You can easily change the size of an icon too. Let's make your icon a bit bigger by selecting XL. You can see the icon is now larger and the code snippet now has the FA-XL CSS class added. Font Awesome also offers a bunch of out-of-the-box animations for you to add movement to your icons. To view our animation options, click the button with the film icon. Whether you want to make your icon shake, spin, or fade, adding flair to your icons is super easy with our animations. Now copy the code snippet and add it to your project. Open up the HTML of a page or template in your web project. We'll be using a code pen for the purpose of this tutorial. Paste the code snippet, and voila! Let's say you want to adjust the size of your icon now that you can see it in context. Head over to the Sizing CSS class FA-XL and change it to FA-5X. Want your icon to appear red? Change the hex code of the blue icon to make it red. Let's change the icon altogether. Copy the code snippet and paste it below. Change the icon name to FA-heart and the style name to FA-solid. Let's add an animation by typing FA-beat after the icon name. You've successfully changed the size, style, and color of your icon. See? That was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.